Hello and welcome to That's the Point. This is the only place that you'll find content that is dedicated to construction positioning technology and some handy tips to keep you efficient in the field and in the office. My name is Jonathan Stickle and I'm joined here by Corey Meyer. Corey, how you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Excited to be here.
Very good. So we're excited because this is our first ever two-part episode. In the first episode, we covered replacing the screen protector in a Trimble T1000. And today, we're going to cover the other half of that topic, which is replacing a screen protector on a T10x.
Yeah, that's right, Jonathan. And so if you're using a T100, you can find that link right down below. But for T10Xs, you've come to the right place. We had to break these out because they're vastly different types of screen protectors. And since you're watching this episode, we give you a little secret, like the T10X is much easier to replace.
It really is. The T100 uses a glass protector, which shatters and uses adhesive, and it can be a process. But the T10X is very simple. It's a film type protector, and it makes life a little easier, at least from the install side of it. Things.
100%. We're going to install a protector on a brand new T10X today. But if you did need to remove one, this is honestly just a case of just popping up a corner with your fingernail and it comes right up. You would just come in here and you can actually feel it on the edge of the screen. You can peel it up and you're ready to go.
All right, so shopping list wise, what are we going to need to do this?
Yeah, well, you're obviously going to need the screen protector, so that's important. But then we really only need just a microfiber, maybe a lens cleaning wipe or something that comes just in case, like some solvent, just to get if there's anything on the screen underneath of the protector. And then we will need a credit card for this or some type of plastic card just to smooth out the bubbles.
All right, well, let's get to it. Let's install this.
Yeah, let's do this. All right, so here we go. So we've got our screen protector. It has a step 1 and step 2 labeled nicely on it. So we're going to take the back off first. So it says step 1, take the back off. And we're going to do that. So we're going to remove that, set that off to the side. And then we're going to sit here. We're going to drop this onto the tablet. And you do have some leeway here. The shop likes these because you can move it around once you install it. So we're going to get it close just so it all touches on the glass. It's mounted. We're going to be good to go. It'll start to kind of pop in there, but that's not too worried about that. Then from there, I'm going to simply remove step 2, which is the top one. And that's when we pull out our credit card. We can already see it starting to settle in there nice. And we're just going to use our credit card, which in my case is a very old Starbucks card. And we're just going to quickly and easily remove all the little bubbles, push all those to the edge. And if I might say, this is a pretty darn good install. And if you have one or two like little bubbles, like those do get, as soon as you go out in the field, those will get removed.
Yeah, once the screen's on, you won't be able to see it. All right, so this is definitely less technique than is required to replace the T100. And as always in the case, if you have any questions, need help, or simply need to grab a spare screen protector, reach out to your local Building Point representative. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on That's the Point.